We're trying to get a driveway installed, so he ordered 20 tons of stone. When the dump truck arrived, he backed up and the whole left side sank up to the axle. He tried to dump the load and almost tipped over. Here's the video. Check it out.
This is one for the memory books to look back on.
This is Mike with Mad River Outdoors. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.